we were sent these compostable trash bags complimentary from the company to check out, test out, do an honest review so you can make an informed purchase decision. So I'm really happy to give you an insider look so that you can really know what you're getting. So first off, I expected these to be, well, not great. And but I was proven wrong. So let me show you some of the things that I really like. So first off, these are nice and big. These are very big. They are not stretchy, so they're not flex, but they are very strong. I'm really surprised. We've been using these for a few weeks now, really testing them out. So the funny thing is that this really does hold so much that even when it seems like it's full, it's no problem actually having everything fit. So these are nice and wide, and they have the drawstring here, so it's very, very easy. And I still have a lot of room in here. These are just really nice to know that these will eventually disintegrate. They're compostable. I love them. They have helped. If you're curious if they leak odors, I have not had any issues. We eat a lot of salad, so a lot of onions, onion skins and stuff like that go into the trash can, and I have not had any issues waking up in the morning, coming down and smelling anything coming from here. So I think it does a really great job, and I think they're really nice quality. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If you're looking for something that fits those requirements, you really might want to give these a shot. Thanks so much for watching.